Clay Patton on the Rural Radio Network. Let's check in on your closing livestock trade now with David Ericson of Ag Optimist in Akron, Iowa. And David, looking here at the close, that's where we see a bit of green on the screen for this cattle complex. Overall, what do you make to the start of the week's trade?
Yeah, the cattle market started off really strong today, and but I would consider the close a little bit of a disappointment. We started off the day in the live cattle, and we kind of gapped above that 20-day moving average, which was kind of an area that we had been watching for quite a while. And, it looked like the market was pretty pumped up to continue to push a little higher here, but we ended up in the February at least closing just below that. And, the thing about it was, I was in there working, doing some stuff for some customers in there, and you could tell the market was really thin, and there was some, maybe some predatory selling, maybe the last ditch of the bears kind of trying to hold this thing down. And, with the market being as thin as it was, they were ultimately able to, keep it down and keep it below that mark. The feeder market, really strong. Even though we closed well off of our highs, it was still a pretty impressive trade, and that chart looks really friendly here. And I got a few sale barns up here this morning, and there's a good amount of interest in that market, and a lot of things are selling really well there. On the fundamental side, we kept our kill, right around that 125,000 mark. It was 126 a week ago, so just a tick off of where we started last week. And the boxes were just a touch lighter.
And again, is David Ericson, Ag Optimist in Akron, Iowa. More at agoptimist.com. Do remember, trading futures and options involve risk of loss and may not be suitable for all investors. Do consider these risks before investing.